Hey everyone, how's it going? And in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix stuck on loading screen issue in Fallout London. So I don't have it installed, but let's say you have it and you want to search for Fallout London. I'm showing Valorant as an example. You want to click on Open File Administrator and then right click on it and then go to Open File one more time. From there head over to the previous one and then into the folder, and right over here where the actual file is, you want to click on properties and then compatibility, and you want to make sure run this program as administrator is applied and then click on OK. And then from there the next step that you need to do is rename or remove the fallout custom.ini file. So to do that, just press Windows plus key at the E at the same time, and then you want to open File Explorer and then head over to this path, and then you just need to right click it to rename it to backup or something else. And then last thing you can do is update your graphics driver card, which is go to device manager like so, and then go to display adapters, and then you'll see your graphics card. Right click and then click on update driver and make sure it is updated. And last but not the least, the solution that you can do is verify the integrity. So to do that, head over to Steam library, find your game, click on properties, and under installed files you'll find verify integrity of game files. You want to click on it and then you want to see if this problem is fixed or not. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.